Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, in this video I would like to answer question of language and technology midterm. For the first question is, could you elaborate the three stages of computer-assisted language learning and provide the example? Okay, in CALL or computer assisted language learning, there are three stages. First is behavioristic call. The first stage was grounded in behaviorist learning theory, which emphasized habit formation through repetition, drills, and immediate feedback. The goal was accuracy and mastery of correct language form through constant practice. Learners interacted with the computer in a one-way manner, typically responding to prompts or exercise that reinforce grammatical structures and vocabulary. For the example is grammatical exercise. The second is communicative call. Emerging as a response to the rigidity of behavioristic call, communicative call was inspired by communicative language teaching or CLT. The focus shifts from accuracy to fluency, communication, and meaningful use of language. It adopted cognitive learning theory, emphasizing language as a mental and communicative process rather than a set of habits. For the example, word processors, email, and chat. And the third is integrative call. Integrative call reflects the rise of multimedia, internet-based learning, and mobile technologies. It integrates all language skills, listening, speaking, reading, and writing, and supports authentic project-based learning grounded in socio-cognitive theory. It views language as socially constructed and promotes learning agency in real-world contexts. For example, multimedia and online collaboration. So, the second question, what are the advantages and disadvantages of using technology in the process of language learning? The advantages of using technology are easy in managing and monitoring student progress. Second, managing courses, evaluating students with tests and exams, and they can perform important tasks such as monitoring the progress of students through specialized software. Then, create a unique experience as much for the teacher as the students. And last is learning is better with virtual whiteboards. The students are a lot more involved, and online exercise and interactive multimedia content are motivating for them. So, the next is the disadvantages of using technology are it can be distracting students. Students may find themselves trying to access other components of the online experience instead of learning experiences. Next, it can disconnect students from face-to-face relationship. Interacting with people online is very different experiences than interacting with them face-to-face. When people feel like they can be anonymous, they begin to lose the filter that they have over their words and conduct. Next, it can make it easier to cheat. All it takes is single group email broadcast to share the answer to a quiz or test, especially if teacher is not monitoring student interactions on the computer. And last is it can create independence. So we move to the next question. Find out 5 until 7 new words or new vocabularies associated to the terms of technology and describe the meaning. I have found 7 new words or new vocabularies associated to the terms of technology, and I will describe it. First is artificial intelligence or AI. AI is the simulation of human intelligence in machines that are programmed to think, learn, and make decisions like humans. Second, cloud computing is delivery of computing service such as storage, software, and processing over the internet instead of using local server or personal computers. And the third, virtual reality or VR, a computer-generated environment that allows users to experience and interact with a three-dimensional world through special devices like headsets. The fourth is augmented reality or AR, a technology that overlays digital information or image onto the real world through devices such as smartphones or smart glasses. The fifth is blockchain, a secure digital system that records transactions in a decentralized and tamper-proof database, often used for cryptocurrencies. And the sixth is cybersecurity, the practice of protecting computers, networks, and data from unauthorized access, attacks, or damage. And the last is machine learning or ML, a branch of AI that enables computers to automatically learn and improve from experience without being explicitly programmed. For the next session in this video, I would like to uh, show you about technology that I use for learn as a teachers. Hello student, today we will learn about family. In our family, there are a lot of members like father, mother, brother, sister, grandfather, grandmother, uncle, aunt, cousin, and that's all is our family members. Father in Indonesia is ayah. Mother in Indonesia is ibu. Brother in Indonesia is saudara laki-laki atau kakak laki-laki. Sister in Indonesia is saudara perempuan. Grandfather in Indonesia is kakek. Grandmother in Indonesia is nenek. Uncle in Indonesia is paman. Aunt in Indonesia is bibi. Cousin in Indonesia is sepupu. And then family is keluarga. So, family members is a lot of people in our home. Next, let's practice in simple tense. This is my mother. Ini adalah ibuku. Let's say again. This is my mother. Ini adalah ibuku. Next, this is my grandmother. Ini adalah nenekku. This is my grandmother. Ini adalah nenekku. Next, my brother is playing with me. Artinya, kakakku sedang bermain bersamaku. And then the last example, he is my father. Dia adalah ayahku. Say again, he is my father. Dia adalah ayahku. Apa yang sedang dilakukan ayah? He is teaching me. Artinya, dia sedang mengajariku. Students, to develop our study, let's use Duolingo application. Duolingo application is an application to develop our practice in every language, especially learning English language. Let's learn about family. Saudara laki-laki in English is brother.
Brother. My name is Anna.
My name is Anna. She introduced herself and let's say, "Hi Anna." Ibu. Ibu in English is mom.
Mom.
This is Max.
This is Max. Ini adalah Max. Hi Max. Ayah in English is dad.
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 My name is David.
My name is David. Nama saya adalah David. Let's say, "Hi David." And for the last section, I will tell you about the conclusion from the questions that I have answered and the video that I have shown you. So, the use of technology in language learning has evolved from mechanical drills to more communicative and interrogative approaches. While it offers convention, motivation, and broader access, technology must be used mindfully to avoid distracting human interaction and academic integrity. Therefore, both teachers and students should treat technology as a supportive tool, not a replacement for the core essence for meaningful learning. Thank you for watching, dan wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.